Good morning, dear students. Myself, Professor Prashant Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Electrical Engineering, Sagar Institute of Science, Technology and Engineering, Sistiki, Ratibad, Bhopal. In Basic Electrical and Electronics Engineering series, we are covering Unit 5th, that is Basic Electronics, and today we will discuss about universal gates. Means we will understand the operation and working of and NAND and NOR gate, and we will also discuss why NAND and NOR gates are called universal gates. The first type of universal gate is called NAND gate. NAND gate means combination of NOT gate and AND gate. Means it implies the function of complemented or inverted gate output. We apply two inputs A and B first AND gate, and the output of AND gate is applied to as an input of NOT gate, means inverted gate, and finally the output of or NOT gate is called the output of NAND gate. You can say this is the symbolic representation of NAND gate, where input is A and B and the output is the complement of AND operation, means A dot B bar. You can see with this symbolic representation, I can say the NAND gate symbolically represented by the combination of AND gate plus NOT gate. Dear students, with this logic diagram, you can easily understand the operation of NAND gate. Here, two switches A and B are connected in series, and they are connected in the parallel with the supply source as well as the bulb load. When the both inputs are low, means A and B are 0, 0, means switches is open. In that case, the supply source can release the current to the load and the bulb will glow, means I can say the output will be high, will be 1. Again in case 2, when A will be 0 and B will be 1, means switch A will be open and switch B will be closed. In that case also, this circuit will work as like source current is converted to the is passes to the load bulb current passes to the load or bulb, and bulb will glow. In the third case, you can see here when switch A is 1, the input A is high and input B is low, means switch A will close and B will open. Again it will treated as the open circuit and the source voltage deliver current to the load, and again the output will be high. In the next case, when both input will be high, means switch A and B both will be 1 1 and they are closed. In that case, the voltage can't transfer their current to the load or bulb, because this condition will be treated as short circuited condition and total current will flow through this wire, and in that case bulb will not glow and output will be 0. So this is called logical operation of NAND gate, where you can see when the both inputs are high, in that case output will be 0, but when if any one input is low, then output will be high, output will be 1. The second gate, which is called universal gate, is called NOR gate. As its name implies, NOR gate means combination of NOT plus OR gate. Here I have taken N from the NOT gate and OR from the OR gate, means a gate whose output is passes through a OR gate whose output is passes through the NOT gate. That operation will be treated as NOR operation, and that gate is called NOR gate. This is the symbolic representation of NOR gate, where A and B is input and Y is the output. If I just elaborate that NOR gate, I can say the A and B input is first given to the OR gate, and the output will be the OR operation, means A plus B. And when we apply that OR operation output to the NOT gate, then we get the output that will be A plus B bar, means the A plus B bar will be the output of NOR gate. Dear students, if you remember, in the previous video we have already discussed different basic gates like AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Here you can see this NOR gate output is just inverted or complemented the output of OR gate. Means NOR gate is the gate whose output is always complemented and inverted to the output of OR gate. This is the symbolic representation where a bubble is used after the OR gate, that is called NOR gate. In elaborated form, you can also use this symbolic representation to understand. Let's discuss about the truth table of NOR gate. When we talk about the truth table, there is two kinds of combination. Here I have taken two inputs A and B. A is 0 and B is 0. A is 0, B is 1. A is 1, B is 0, and A and B both are 1. Here 0 is represented for the low bits and 1 is represented for the high bits. In the first case, when both inputs will be low, means A will be 0 and B will be 0, the output of NOR gate means it is the inversion of OR gate operation, that will be high, means the output will be 1. Input 0 A B 0, then output will be 0 plus 0 plus is equal to 0, and the inversion of 0 will be 1. So this is called in the first case the output will be 1. Similarly, in case 2, when A will be 0 and B will be 1, means A bits will be low and B bits will be high. In that case 0 plus 1 will be 1, and the inversion of 1 means when we apply 1 as an input to the NOT gate, then we'll get 0, means low bit output. In the third case, when A will be 1 and B will be 0, means the input A bit is high, B bit is low, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and the output of NOT gate from when input is 1, it will be 0. Then in the third case also the output will be 0. Again, when both inputs will be high, means 1 1, in that case the A 1 plus 1 is called 1, and we apply 1 as an input to the NOT gate, then we get output low bit, or that will be 0. Means you can see here in the NOR gate operation, it is just in the output of NOR gate operation is just opposite in the nature to the NAND gate. Means here output will be high bit only, output will we get 1 only when both input will be low. If any one will be high or if both will be high, then in that case output will be low, means output will be 0. So this is called the NOT gate and NAND gate operation. Dear student, the question is why NOT gate and NOR gate is called universal gate. Reason is very simple. We can realize operation of OR basic gates, like we can realize the operation of AND gate, we can realize operation of OR gate, we can realize operation of NOT gate by using this NAND and NOR gate. That's why these two gates are called universal gates. Means universal gates are a gate which perform the operation of all basic gates. That's why they are called universal gates. Dear students, hope you understood the working and operation as logical diagram of NAND and NOR gate. If you have any kind of doubt, then you can write in the comment box. Dear students, I have taken the basic concepts from the reference book, that is Basic Electronics Concept from Electronic Devices and Circuits, Dr. Sanjay Gupta. And I also chose some content from the Google image or Google sources, means that is www.google.com. If you have any kind of doubt, please write in the comments box. Thanks for the watching.